We're at 2658 Rock Chapel Road. Here we are on the back slope of the property. We came across this shingle here that's presented wind damage on the Dragon Key. The tools we're going to be using for this repair work is our roof snake. We've got our roof hatchet and our new shingle, and we've also got some new nails. I'm going to start off by breaking the seal, and when touching this shingle, we're going to keep it well under 45 degrees. We're only going to lift enough to get our snake tool underneath, so that we can remove the existing nail, remove the existing shingle, and then we'll replace that shingle with a new one. Part of successful repair work is when you're able to complete these steps without causing damage to other parts of the roof. And in this case, we're using the right tools. We're going to be using the right amount of finesse, and we're going to see how the shingle reacts to this repair. Already there's a couple of areas that are presenting delamination. First nail is out. So as you can tell, we've got an area where we have matte tear. And right there we had a high nail that just came out. A couple of areas where we have matte piercing. Matte piercing here in this area here. And also we've got some material transfer that's present right here. We've got some material transfer present and that's coming from the top. So all of this is showing material transfer. All of this is showing material transfer. But we're gonna go ahead and install our new shingle. And this was the closest size that we could get to this. And now we're gonna grab our new nail and go ahead and insert. Now moving up to the top row. So as you can tell, when we do repairs such as these, it'll definitely compromise the integrity of the roof. And in this case, we ended up having damage from the tears and also the material transfer. And I'll be taking photos after this video as well to show the results. This tear comes from this shingle up here, and that's from the removal of the nail. This shingle starts from here to here. We ended up having material transfer from the bottom of these shingles here. This shingle starts from here and it goes up to here. So we have one shingle, a second shingle that failed because of the tears, the material transfer, and the delamination. So we have delamination here on this dragon key, delamination that's starting here but it's only on a corner, delamination that's also starting here, it's only up to that corner, delamination fully went through here on this dragon key, delamination is starting here, delamination here on this other dragon key, and we've got delamination on this dragon key as well, and this would be considered another shingle. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shingles compromised in the process. Fifth, this dragon key is delaminated as well. So we ended up having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shingles compromised in the process of fixing one. The results for the back slope have been a fail. And per IRC 908.5, which states aggregate surface materials cannot be reinstalled when damaged, is a perfect example of why the roof would require replacing rather than repairing. And the permanent damage that was caused to the shingles was not there prior to the initiation of the repair, but we have to manipulate, move stuff around, and that is what gave us the results. This is how the roof is reacting. These have been the results for the back slope. Thank you for your time. GoPro, stop recording.